We've all seen backwards video that was shot with our selfie camera that needs to be flipped. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that with 4 different apps, beginning with the iOS camera app. In the iPhone app, you can see how right here the lettering is backwards. There's your telltale sign that the video is flipped. So just go down to the edit controls down here and then hit crop. And then go up to here where it has the 2 triangles with the line in between and click on that. And there you go. It's all done. Okay, so that's how you do it on the phone. Now, here's how you do it in Final Cut Pro for Mac. All right, so in Final Cut, there's 2 ways to fix it. One way is to go over to the effects browser and hit flipped. And boom, just like that, it's fixed. Another way to fix it is to go over to the inspector and click in for scale. Scale X is -100. And that fixes it also. All right. So 2 ways to fix it in Final Cut Pro for the Mac.
All right, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem with 2 different editing apps for the iPad. But first, if you're getting value from this video, go ahead and hit the like and consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments which editing app you use. Now here's how to fix the same problem in Final Cut Pro for the iPad.
With the clip selected, you go up to the effects browser and you click on effects and scroll down to the distort category. And here you will find flipped. Put that in and boom, it's flipped and fixed.
This is how you fix it in Lumafusion. And one of the nice things about Lumafusion is that it works in both Apple and Android devices.
Select the video, you clicked on the edit pen and go to the frame and fit mode. And then just above the words fit mode on the right here, you have the triangles like in the iOS app. And you just click on those triangles and boom, it's fixed once again.
If you found value, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which editing app you use. If it's one of the ones not covered here, maybe I'll do a future tutorial on how to do it in those apps.